It's Megan Mize here.
And I'm Jared Cook.
And we're here in Waco, Texas at the Perry Company, where we design and manufacture the Fortress product lines. Today we have one of our new backsplashes on, the backsplash for the Kawasaki Pro FXT. And Jared, I know we have other backsplashes for other units, but what makes this one different or special?
What I really like about this backsplash is that we're matching the front of our unit. We've had a windshield out for this unit for several years now. That's been really successful for us. And we have a glass backsplash now. Really easy to clean and take care of, and we really enjoy. Our front windshield's been a huge hit for us, and we wanted to mirror that here at the back, and so really like that aspect that we've stuck with that here at the rear of the unit.
And I see that there's a panel from the roof that comes over, so do those go together? Do you have to buy the roof in order to make the backsplash fit?
So the way that this works is that when you buy this backsplash, if you have our roof, you use the panel that you see here, but you don't have to have our roof. If you have the OEM plastic roof, then you'll use this panel that comes with it as well. And so no matter whether you have our roof or you have the OEM roof, you're going to get both of those panels in the box so that it'll fit whichever application you have.
Okay. And then what about how, I know that this unit, the bed flips up. So explain how that works with the roof and the backsplash.
Yeah, so the bed on this unit is really pretty neat. So not only does it flip up and dump, but it also transitions from like a short bed to a long bed, right? And so with our level 3 top, this backsplash is able to dump not only in the short bed position, but also in the long bed position. You can dump both ways. And so it was a little tricky to design it that way, but that's another key function of this backsplash that we've integrated into the design.
Yeah, and I know watching y'all during the design process for this, the installation looked pretty quick and easy. So tell us how long that takes to get this thing on.
Yeah, I would say that if you've never installed one before, it's probably gonna take 20, 30 minutes. It really isn't that difficult. I believe that you have 359 different mounting points. There's only a few brackets on here. Pretty quick and easy to install.
And what about production time?
So production time on all of our parts, 5 to 7 business days to produce the part. Now when we're talking freight, if you live right down the street, is different than if you live, let's say, in New York or Washington. And so usually I'll tell people that it's about 2 to 3 business days. Give yourself some time there for shipping if you were buying from the website. What I love about our business is that we encourage everybody to go to your dealer first, right? Go to your local Kawasaki dealer. We have plenty of dealers around the country that are stocking these parts. And this is a newer part, so it might not be in stock right away, but eventually we hope to get those dealers to keep stock on this. You very well could be able to pick it up that day, and they might even be able to help you with the install on it, which is a great part of going to the dealership, buying through them. They can kind of be that one-stop shop for everything Fortress for you.
Right.
All right, guys, to close out the day, at the end of the day, we'd love for you to purchase our backsplash for the Kawasaki Pro FXT. And the best place to go to do that is your local dealer. You can find that on our website, fortresspro.com. We've got a great dealer locator. If you don't have a dealer close to you, you can simply buy through that same website, fortresspro.com, and we can have it shipped to you direct. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to give us a call. We appreciate it. Thanks.